Good morning students. Today I will teach you how to prove the properties of quadrilaterals. It will be very helpful for you all in class 9th. This is the basic property, that is, prove that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. This is the basic property and this is also given in question number 3 of exercise 13.1. Now I am going to prove this property. Given PQRS is a quadrilateral. So to prove a particular property, there are 3 steps. First step, given. Second step, to prove. Third, construction, that is optional. And fourth one is proof, how to prove. So basically, there are 4 steps. Among this step is optional. So first step, given. In the question, what is given? Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. तो क्या given है? A quadrilateral. We assume that PQRS is a quadrilateral. So PQRS, it is a quadrilateral, a general quadrilateral. We are going to prove sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree. So in this quadrilateral, there are 4 angles, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. So sum of this 4 angle is equal to 360 degree. That means we are going to prove angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360 degree. To prove this, we need one construction. That is, we draw a diagonal PR. So we draw a diagonal PR. We join the vertices P and R. So PR is the diagonal. This PR diagonal divides this quadrilateral PQRS into 2 triangles. Name of the triangles are PQR. Name of the triangles are PQR and one triangle is PQR and other triangle is PSR. Other triangle is PSR. PQR, this is one triangle. PSR, this is another triangle. So this diagonal PR divides PQRS into 2 triangles, namely PQR and PSR. And we are naming the angles. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. This is angle 4. This is angle 5. And this one angle 6. ये हमने नेमिंग क्यों किया? क्योंकि मुझे लिखने में आसानी होगी. अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट द प्रॉपर नेम. अगर ये एंगल को, एंगल 1 को अगर मुझे समझाना है, क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? एंगल RPQ. सिमिलरली अगर एंगल 2 को अगर समझाना है, वी हैव टू राइट एंगल PQR. तो टू राइट द एंगल्स शॉर्टली वी आर नेमिंग दिस एज 1, 2, 3, 4. नाउ सो दीज आर द 3 स्टेप्स. Now last step, this is the important step. यही मेन करना है. That is how to prove. So just now I am telling you it divides 2 triangles. Now in triangle PQR, we know that sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So in triangle PQR there are 3 angles. The angles are angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, in triangle PSR, angle 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 180 degree. Now we name this as first equation, first one, and the second one as second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now when we add this to equation, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we will have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This is the three angles of the first triangle. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, that is equal to 180 plus 180. When we add two equations, that means we add the left side as well as we add the right side. So now we are arranging this. How will you arrange? 1 and 6. We write 1 and 6 together, plus angle 2, plus we write angle 3 and 4 together, plus angle 5. That is equal to 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Now look at the figure. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 together, that is angle P. 1 plus 6 together, that is angle P. Plus angle 2, that is angle Q. 3 plus 4 together, that is angle R, and angle 5, that is angle S, equal to 360 degree. So in this way we can prove sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So this is mathematical proving of the basic property of quadrilateral, that is sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree. Again I will explain this with the help of an activity in our Google Meet class. ये सेम प्रॉपर्टी सेम इसी का प्रूविंग हम एक एक्टिविटी के जरिए फिर से क्लास में प्रूव करेंगे. नाउ द सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज वन बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम. ये भी बुक के क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 13.3. प्रूव दैट डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. दिस इज अ बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम, दैट इज डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. तो अभी अभी मैंने क्या कहा, देयर आर 4 स्टेप्स, तो जिनमें 1 स्टेप जो है कंस्ट्रक्शन, दैट इज ऑप्शनल, अगर जरूरत है तब लिखेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप गिवन, क्या गिवन है, यहां पर एक पैरेललोग्राम गिवन है और डायगोनल गिवन है. तो ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, डायगोनल्स AC एंड BD आर इंटरसेक्ट एट पॉइंट O. सो दिस इज द फिगर ABCD. इट इज अ parallelogram ABCD. It is a parallelogram. AC and BD, they are the diagonal. They bisect at O. क्या प्रूफ करना है? They bisect each other. Sorry, they intersect at O. O पे कट किया है, तो मुझे प्रूफ करना है they bisect each other, मतलब इक्वली डिवाइड किया है. So we are going to prove AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. AO equal to OC मतलब हाफ ऑफ इक्वली डिवाइड किया है, and BO is equal to OD. Now here we are considering two triangles. We are considering two triangles. Triangle AOB, this triangle, and triangle DOC. In this two triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why these two angles are equal? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These two angles are equal because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles किसे कहते हैं? Suppose two parallel lines, one transversal. तो अगर कोई भी एंगल Z फॉर्म कर रहा है, इस टाइप के एंगल्स, so these are called alternate interior angles. So here 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles because these two lines are parallel and AC is transversal. Similarly, तो यहाँ पर मुझे रीजन भी लिखना है, alternate angles. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. ये भी same alternate angles. And AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. Why AB is equal to DC? Because opposite side of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. So the basic thing of a parallelogram is when the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So in this figure, AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC, and AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to DC. मुझे इन दोनों की जरूरत नहीं है, जिसकी जरूरत है वो मैंने लिखा है AB is equal to DC. Now in this two triangle we have two angles and one side are equal to corresponding two angles and another side. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by ASA property. So all of you remember क्लास 7th में हम लोग कर चुके हैं कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल. देयर आर 4 प्रॉपर्टीज. तो यहां पर ट्राइंगल AOB is congruent to, this is the symbol of congruent, COD by which property? ASA, एंगल साइड एंगल. और अलग और प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? एक है साइड साइड साइड, another SAS, and fourth one is RHS. So here we are using angle side angle property. So when angle side angle property means congruence means all these angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are also equal. So we can say that AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. That is by CPCT. So that's all for today. In this way, we can solve any property of any figure. Thank you, class.